floor's shaking. I can't cope. It's crying all the time now. I can't get out of the house because I'm too old to get out of the house. I should try and get out of the house, but I can't. I'm not getting any sleep. I can't even get out of the clothes. I can't cope at all. Get away from this. So you don't have any other way to get away from it. Not everybody has places to go. Not everybody has the house to go somewhere. And I'm one of them. People who don't have those problems don't understand. There's nobody set out to help people like me at all. The sheltered housing people just say, oh, it's bad, isn't it? That's all they say. My floors are shaking, my walls are shaking. And I'm a wreck. More to do. Still got all that to do there. So.